In this video, we will show you how to replace your outer tie rod end. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Once you've done that, continue on to removing your center cover and then all 5 of your lug nuts. We'll use a 21mm socket to remove these. With the wheel out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our outer and inner tie rod ends. Right in the center, you're going to find a 21mm jam nut. We'll use our wrench to break this free by turning it clockwise. Once you have that broken free, continue on to your outer tie rod end nut. To remove this nut, we'll use an 18mm socket. After you've removed the nut, continue on to removing the outer tie rod end from the knuckle. Sometimes you're going to have to give the knuckle a couple bonks to break it free. Now we can start unscrewing the outer tie rod end from the inner tie rod end. As we turn this counterclockwise, count the amount of turns it takes to remove it. The next thing we'll do is continue on, clean down the threads on the inner tie rod end, give them a quick inspection, and apply some copper never sees. Now it's time to install our outer tie rod end. When you install this, make sure you put it on the same amount of turns as it took to remove it originally. Let's line this up with the steering knuckle and slide it into position. Continue on to your outer tie rod end nut. Now let's bottom this out and then torque it to 59 foot-pounds. Continue on by snugging the jam nut and then making sure it's tight. When you try to tighten this, make sure you're holding the outer tie rod end. Once you've double checked everything, go ahead and reinstall your wheel. Put that in position. Start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts, bottom them out. We'll get the wheel safely back on the ground and then torque each of these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Once the wheel's safely on the ground, continue torquing these in a crisscross manner. Reinstall your center cover. Okay friends, we've got the car back together. At this point, take yourself safely down to your local alignment shop. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.